Okay, guys, welcome to our web development course. My name is Anieti Etsuk, and this is TeenCoders. If you have been with us through the different classes, we've been able to walk through widgets, menu, and themes. Today, we're working on blog posts, how to manage your posts. One of the interesting things with WordPress is you have a lot of content that comes in form of posts. So let's get going. Now this is the site where we stopped. A quick review. Um, we use this as our logo. We have the menu, and then we have worked on widgets also. You can check any of the previous videos. So we want to work on posts. Now let's see what we have here. Okay, so it shows us things. We have one or two posts. So let's start. Now to get to posts, under publish, you have blog posts. With blog posts, you're able to see all the posts you have on your site. Then if you want to add a new one. So let's see all the posts we have on our site first. So I click this. And it gives me a list of the different posts that I have. So number one is, let's look at editing and then deleting view before we create. So if I want to edit this post now, this particular post is this find. So this is on my website. It's showing find the best 2006 laptop, blah 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 blah. This is a full list of the posts. This comes as the profile image for the post, and this is the content. Okay, so we're in our back end. So to edit a particular post, just click the edit button. Okay, in this section you now have all the details. Now the posts, every post has a featured image, which though it's not compulsory but is necessary. So we'll leave this one. We just want to edit the content. Now to edit, you can edit you can edit with a visual interface, or you can edit with the HTML. For now, I just want us to ignore the HTML. Let's work with the visual interface. And in the visual interface, you have a lot of the tools that are similar to tools used in Microsoft Word. For example, if I want to bold this part of the information, I can just click bold, and if I save this, if I click update, it is saved. So I go back to this is the post. This one we just bold now. So I refresh the page to see what we have done. Okay, you can see that the bold is there. Now if I also want to link this to maybe a website, so let me link this to our Facebook. And I want it, when they click that link, it opens on a new tab. So I select this and I click add the link. If I update the site and I go back to see what we have done, this becomes a link. So you can see that. If I move it now, if I click, it opens TeenCoders Facebook page. So that is a simple way to, okay, so that is the page on Facebook. Let's close this. Let's go back to the work. So same way you can, bold, you can italize, a lot of other things. If you need more, there are other things too you can do here. They all work the same way as Microsoft. You can also add images. So we'll do that when we're adding a new post. So that is how to edit any to edit a particular post. Now let's go back. Okay. The second thing we want to work on is how to delete a particular post. So to delete, if I want to delete this particular post, I simply click trash. Now what WordPress will do, it will move the content to a trash can. It will not delete it. It is not deleted yet. It is after. You can go back and then in your delete section, you go back to your trash and then you can delete it completely. Okay, so that's number two. Number one we worked on is how to edit a post. Number two is how to trash a post. Now, in number three, we actually want to create a new post. So to create a new post, simply I click add. We want to create a post called my favorite cartoon character. You guys will get to know my favorite cartoon character. Okay, I think we allow this. So this is the post. I'll take you bit by bit so you get to see each stage as it unfolds. So I publish this post. I'll just take you bit by bit. Now I go to my blog. It's be recorded in my blogs, the blog section of my website. Now you can see I have a new post called my favorite cartoon. There is no content underneath it. Let me click it to have a full view. You can see there is no content yet. So let's start building content for my favorite cartoon. Now I want to, my favorite cartoon is the Minion character. Any day, anytime. Okay, Minion character. I want to go to Wikipedia, to just download stuff about Minion. Then I need some images. Sorry, I did not download all this before now. So let me copy, this is what I want to post about my Minion character. I need this image. My wife calls them my cousins. Okay, so I have this save. Okay, so let me place it on desktop. I have this. Okay, I have second image. Two images I want to play with in this post. So, okay, I paste. If you have any write-up for your website, you can paste it here. If you don't want all the links, you can paste it in Microsoft. Okay, let me paste it in Microsoft to remove all the links. I don't want any of the links to be there. Text only. So it takes over the links. Okay, so I have the write-up. Okay, I update. I just want to, this particular section of posting is one of the most interesting things in WordPress. So I want to take time to go through it bit by bit. Now I have my content. So you see the content. Now, if I want to make the content block, so in the next post I want to make the content block. Let me make this upper part of the content block, then the lower part I want to make it center. You just click this. There's a lot you can do with it. Now I want to add an image. If you want to add an image, simply click where you want the image to be. So I want to add an image here. So while the cursor is blinking there, I click add media. So add media. Now how to add media? You can add media from the ones you've uploaded before, or you can add from your system directly. So I click add new. I want to add from my desktop. I saved it as minion 2, or that's it, minion 2, but let's just go down. This is minion 2. I want to add minion 2. Okay, then you click insert. So I have minion 2 there in my document. Let me update this. It's updated. Let me go to my website. Let's see what we have done. Good. So I have, you can see this part of it now is bold, and this part is center, and I have the minion image. Now next I want to do with my website is I want to show you the home page. Let us have a preview of what we're doing from the home page. Now if we check this, we're in the home section now. Okay, so if I check my blog section, sorry, not my home blog, you see my posts there. But now there is no profile image, because what WordPress works with preferably is to always have a profile image that serves as a quick introduction into your post. Okay, so let's now fix the profile image. We can do a lot of stuff, like I said earlier. We can change the color of this text to red. Yeah, we can add an underline here. That's it. What else? Lots of things that you can do. So I update again, and if I go to my blog posts, that is it, red. That is the underline. Okay, so with this, in the next section, what we'll be doing is to add other features to the posts. Thank you very much.